Woodworking, an age-old craft, serves as the perfect medium for blending creativity with precision. And this book delves into the mesmerizing world of crafting wooden decos. From the moment a block of wood is selected, a transformative journey begins, where raw timber is shaped into lifelike representations of birds and other natural wonders. The process is much more than a simple act of carving. It is an art form that captures the spirit of nature and pays homage to the intricate beauty found within each piece of wood. This book invites readers to explore the delicate dance between artistry and technique, revealing the secrets of mastering the craft of deco creation. The book begins by introducing the foundational elements of woodworking, a craft rooted in tradition yet constantly evolving with new techniques and tools. The reader is guided through the essential tools of the trade, each one an extension of the woodworker's hand and imagination. Understanding these tools is crucial, as they are the means by which wood is transformed from a mere block into a breathtaking piece of art. The section highlights the significance of selecting the right equipment and the mastery needed to wield it effectively. As the woodworker's skills grow, so does their ability to breathe life into their creations, capturing the essence of the natural world with each precise cut and carve. As the journey into woodworking deepens, the book explores the art of selecting the perfect piece of wood. Each type of timber has its own unique characteristics, from the grain patterns that tell the story of its growth to the hidden beauty waiting to be revealed through careful carving. This section emphasizes the importance of understanding wood as a living material, one that demands respect and knowledge to unlock its full potential. The book delves into the process of evaluating different types of wood, guiding readers in choosing the right timber for their projects and enhancing their appreciation for the raw material's natural beauty. As the book concludes, it reflects on the timeless nature of woodworking, a craft that has been passed down through generations and continues to captivate and inspire. The final sections offer a celebration of the woodworker's journey from novice to master, encouraging readers to embrace the challenges and rewards of this ancient art form. By emphasizing the transformative power of woodworking, the book leaves readers with a sense of wonder and a renewed appreciation for the beauty of nature captured in wood. Whether a seasoned woodworker or a curious beginner, readers are invited to embark on their own journey of discovery, finding joy in the process of crafting and creating lasting connections with the natural world.